Man, what's going on, folks? It's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set. And today, we're going to tackle an issue, not necessarily an issue, but we're going to talk about something that we quite frequently run into, being a sneakerhead from the non-sneakerhead people. And I don't say that in a condescending way, I just say that because they always ask the same question. Bruh, how many shoes do you have? Can you wear all those shoes? Is there such thing as too many shoes? Bruh, we get that question all the time. So what we're going to do today is we're going to get into the retort to that, and we're going to address some of the hurdles that we as sneakerheads run into that people just don't understand. We get it and we deal with it because we love sneakers, and we have upwards of 1, 2, 3, sometimes more 100 pair of sneakers, and we don't really think that's enough, but some of these people do. So we gonna get at it, man. Let's do it. Now, I'm gonna just start with me sharing my own personal experiences, right? I love sneakers, and I would venture to say that sneakers love me. But now I'm just fooling. It's I've definitely been through those phases where it's been like, all right, bro, you got too many sneakers. You gotta do something with them, because yeah. But to my credit, that's not really a thing anymore, like recently, because I got two sons that are the age of 17 and 14. And yeah, they both wear my size. So whatever shoes they have, when I'm getting ready to purge, here you go. So the quantity issue is not really a thing for me, but most sneakerheads do have an issue with quantity, and they do reach a point in their sneakerheaddom to the point where they start letting pairs go, just selling shoes. Now, is that ideal most times? Not really, but it's like any other thing that you collect, right? You can get them, you can either put them on a shelf just to look at them, or you can wear them. I fall in the latter category. I don't shelf sneakers for, yeah, I don't do double ups. I get the sneakers I want, and hell, most times they go straight to the toe. Unless I'm feeling a little iffy about them, I'll hold on to them for a little while, and then they go to the toe. Or the wife will just be like, yo, them shits is trash, and they up out of here. So yeah. Now, the other thing that we run into is difficulty to maintain all of these sneakers, especially if you're someone like me who actually wears them. Now, if you're a seasoned sneakerhead, let's say somebody, and I wouldn't, it's no diss to the kids that grew up in the 2000s. That's, yeah, I'm talking about us 80s babies and those 90s babies who grew up at the height of the sneaker era, right? We ushered in all this swag, whatever. But we know how to wear a pair of shoes without destroying them, or yeah, we can avoid hazards that could jack up our sneakers. And it's been ingrained in us since those days, because back then you got a pair, and let's say you got a pair. For me, if you got a pair of sneakers, you had to rock them shits the whole year. So you had to make it do what it do for school. So, and that has been ingrained in us to the point where we know how to wear a pair of shoes, man. No creases. Now, some of us do wear the I don't know what you call them. I don't even wear them shits no more. The things you put in the toe box. Yeah. Don't even know what they call because I don't even wear them no more. They used to be a thing for me in Air Force Ones, but in my later days, yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I don't need nothing sitting on top of my foot to prevent creasage in my shoes. I don't really care that much. I am a shoe connoisseur, but at the same time, I'm practical in mind. I know shoes are meant to be worn, so I wear them shits. So the maintenance portion comes into like when you have to clean them joints. Now, if you want like me and you wear your shoes all the time, the cleaning of these sneakers could be an arduous task. And some of us ain't with it. And just like, hey, them shit's dirty, throw them away, whatever. But that's one of those things that we like run into, right? Another thing is some of these, we'll say, I shouldn't say these, some of us have upwards of 200 to 300, maybe more pair of sneakers. I ain't with that. I can't I can't do that. Number one, because of space. I had a storage locker before and had sneakers in it, and yeah. So from that point on, I don't keep 200 pair of sneakers. If I get to 200 pair of sneakers, well, I don't even have to worry about that because the boys gonna come and get their picks anyway. So, but yeah, I'm not keeping that many sneakers. Number one, because of the storage reasons. I got sneakers in my office here. I got sneakers in the closet, in the bedroom. Yeah, and it's one of them California closets too. So it's mad like little whatever, and shoes are everywhere. And then the wife has shoes everywhere. So yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm I'm not doing that. Plus, you run into the other issue of when it's time to get dressed, you don't know what shoes to put on. And yeah, some of us lay our outfits out and we shop for specific fits and then we pair them up with the sneakers, or we do it in the opposite, right? We buy the sneakers, then we buy the fit to go with it, right? But it don't really work like that all the time when you're doing regular day-to-day shit. When you have to just throw on something and you're standing in there looking like I got all these sneakers and I don't know what to wear with them. I'm gonna just throw on some Crocs. I do that sometimes. I just say the hell with it and throw some Crocs on and call it a day. But those are some of the things that we do run into as sneakerheads. And for that, it becomes less fun when you think about all those variables. And especially when you go to buying storage containers for these things and not just have boxes everywhere. Some people get done like that. Some people want their joints on display, whatever. To each his own. But for me, yeah, the container store was my best friend, but not really, because them joints was expensive. So $50 for 6 containers, and just right off rip, I would say in the office, I got about 100 and some odd pair of sneakers in the office. Yeah, and not to mention the doors break and you gotta get replacements, or you just say the hell with it and take them shits off. So yeah. But to those questions that people do ask, is there ever a thing that constitutes you having too many sneakers? I would say no, because yeah, I don't got no retort for that. I just say no because everyone likes variety, right? Or some people don't. Some people have 3 pair of shoes, a work pair, a casual pair, and a dress pair of shoes. And they're good. And if you live in Florida, the majority of the people around here wear flip-flops and shit. So, yeah. Is there such thing as too many sneakers? I don't think so. Yeah. I don't. What do y'all stand on this? Is there a thing of having too many sneakers? Is there such a thing as that? I, Let me know down in the comments because I'm curious to know what everybody else struggles are with being a sneakerhead or one who loves sneakers, because they just keep coming out and we just keep buying them. And some of us don't wear them. I'm not that guy. I wear my shit all the time. But that's all I got today, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all, bruh. I gotta go do something important with my life today, I think. I think I do. If I don't, I'm gonna act like I do. Because that's just, I ain't got nothing else to do. But if you haven't done so already, man, hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that notification bell too, bro. So you'll get notified when we drop more content like this on the set. Where we ask crazy ass questions like, yo, is there such thing as too many shoes? We just asking for a sneakerhead perspective, because I know for me, I get that question all the time. Why do you need so many shoes? Why do you gotta ask me so many questions? I'm your boy Money Mad, bro. I'm gone, folks. Peace.
I want your clothes even when you're moving the most.